Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for attractions and tickets on the Trip.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the home button down below and then tap on attractions and tours at the top. After that, in the middle of the screen, you can select attractions and tickets, but first of all, enter the name of your destination, either by using the search bar or by clicking on the current destination. After selecting it, you will be directed to the same page and click on attractions and tickets on the left side, and you can also search for particular attractions that you have in mind by clicking on the search bar at the top. But here you can see all of the results and the available attraction tickets, so click on the relevant one that you are interested in. Should wait a few seconds till it loads in, but you can see that a bunch of pictures are attached at the top. You will be able to check out the overview of this whole attraction. You can check out the reviews, what it includes. Here you have the attraction tickets. You can check out the details at the top, including the phone number, opening hours. You can also book it by clicking on the book button. So basically, that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.